Welcome to Green Woodwork. It's green because it's fresh. That was cut down on Sunday. So it's much softer to work. And we start here by cross-cutting the logs. And then you always take the centre out of the log or it will crack. You see the ends of these logs are cracking up. So we take a froe like this, and you can split the log down, I hope quite easily, we'll see. Yeah, well, you see the theory.
Oh, there you switch out there, I see. Yeah.
Okay, this riving is much easier than sawing through, and it preserves the run of the grain, which keeps the strength in the log. We were doing a demo of axe work. So then it's axed off by my able student Fernando.
I'm in the process of making my 5-year-old son Nasario a sword. It's my first attempt at a sword. And this is the piece that protects one's hand in battle, I suppose.
So from a cleft piece of wood like this, which we call a billet, you axe the edges off, and you're trying to get that as round as possible. Obviously the axe is still a fairly rough tool, so you go to the next process. Over there on the shave horse we have, who's there? Mary on the shave horse, who will demonstrate using a draw knife.